Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic non-disclosure agreement or short form is NDA. Friend, if you are a student and studying project management or business and you are planning to give exam of BBA or business administration or PMP or project management, and you are studying project management or business in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP. So friend, uh, with respect to exam point of view, if we talk, so this is an important topic, non-disclosure agreement (NDA), and you will see this topic in the exam. At least 3 to 4 questions will definitely be there in the exam, which are directly related to the topic non-disclosure agreement, NDA, especially if I talk about PMP exam. Also, if we talk about business exams like business administration exam, so you will see this topic in the definitely in the exam. Either it's a certification exam or either it's a university level exam. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional employee, professional person like project manager or business manager and working in any organization, so the non-disclosure agreement is a very important topic. You must have to understand that what is non-disclosure agreement and what is its importance and how to use in the professional life of project management or business management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Non-disclosure agreement. Non-disclosure agreement, NDA. If you just see these three words, friend, first of all, start from the basis, agreement. Friend, what is an agreement? If I ask from you, what do you think that what is an agreement? Friend, agreement is basically things, terms and conditions at which two parties or multiple more than two parties agrees. So that is called an agreement. For example, just take an example, like you visit some car seller, and you talk with him, and he tells you some price of car. If you agrees with the car price and you want to purchase a car, so what they can do, we can make an agreement that you want to purchase a car with so and so cost, and they will sell you that car cost if you pay that particular cost. So this is an agreement between two parties. Okay, similarly, another example of agreement. Right now, we are discussing what is an agreement actually. So, right, similarly, another example, like you want to rent a house. Okay, your upper portion of house is available for rent. Some person came to you and he says that he want a rent house for his family, and you just make an agreement that on a monthly basis he will pay you that so on ABC cost, and you will pay you I will allow you to rent my house, as to stay at my house as a rent pay. However, there are some terms and conditions as well for which he must have to follow. Okay, so we must have to define the terms and condition. Based on that, the agreement can be made between the two parties. So basically, friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is meaning of agreement. Agreement means that there are some terms and condition at which two parties agrees, and it should be in a written format, like on some paper, on some legal document. It should be written and signed off between the two parties or more than two parties. Okay, so now if you can understand the agreement, friend, now we can talk about non-disclosure agreement. If you just see these two terms, these two words, if you can understand the agreement, what is non-disclosure? Non-disclosure means that you are not sharing information, you are not sharing the information with some other party. Okay, simply it means that not disclosing, not sharing the information with some other party simply. So non-disclosure agreement means that you are agreeing, you are signing off that thing, that you will not disclose, you will not share the information with some other third party, some other person. So non-disclosure agreement is a legal binding, is a legal document basically that establishes a confidential relationship. The party or parties signing the agreement agree that sensitive information they may obtain will not be made available to any other. So non-disclosure agreement is simply nothing else more than it's just a legal document. It's a legal document based on some terms and condition, and the main terms and condition is that you will not share the information. Now what is basically the information which we are referring? So that particular information should be defined properly, that what and which type of information basically we are referring. Friend, uh, what is basically the key point? First of all, the key point is that the NDA acknowledges a confidential relationship between two or more parties. NDA is common before discussion between business about potential joint ventures. Employers are often required to sign NDA to protect an employer's confidential business information. I can just give you a very simple example, friend. Uh, just take an example. You are working in any software house as an employee, okay? And your company wants to win a contract, some project in which they have to provide a software. Also, they have to provide a POS solution as well. POS means point of sale solution as well. Your company has expertise in software, but they don't have the solution or expertise or technical expertise in the POS solution. So what they can do, they can make another agreement with some other third party vendor which has a the POS solution. Now what you can do, like these three parties, like customer, your company, and the third party who has the POS solution, both these three parties sign off the NDA, non-disclosure agreement, that they will not share their information with some other party, because these three parties are working together. So obviously their resources will be coming in your office, your resources will be going to their office, and they are accessing multiple documents, multiple information, multiple agreements. So due to that reason, the NDA, non-disclosure agreement, should be signed off between these three parties, so that the sensitive information or important information should not be shared with some other party. Because why they are signing these document, basically why these document is necessary to sign, so that the sensitive information should not be shared with some other third party. And what is the reason? That because, see friend, here when we are working as a joint venture, like your resources are working somewhere else in their offices, their resources are coming to meet with you, talking with your resources. So that is why they can access any particular sensitive information. So due to that, considering the risk, the non-disclosure agreement should be signed off. What to include in the NDA, friend? What should be included in the NDA agreement? Friend, the names of the parties should be properly mentioned. Definition of what constitutes confidential information. This is very important, friend, point. For example, any particular information related to contracts, that is will be called as confidential information. Any information related to projects, any project, any software information. So it must have to be defined clearly that which particular information you are saying that it is confidential, and it should not be shared with some other third party, someone else. Any exclusion from confidentiality, statement of the appropriate uses of the information, time period should be involved, miscellaneous provisions should be properly defined, time period should be properly mentioned. Like for example, the NDA is for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. So time period should be properly mentioned in that case. Friend, this is a very very important information, important point, that the confidentiality in confidential information should be defined, that which particular information you are referring, that it is confidential and it is sensitive and it should not be shared with some other party, friend. Okay, so that is called as the non-disclosure agreement, or short form is NDA. NDA stand for non-disclosure agreement. That means that if any party, more than two parties, or three parties, whoever is signing the document, they are basically saying, they are basically agreeing that they will not share the information with any other party. Friend, in the end, just want to show you a sample non-disclosure agreement. Just take it as a template or just take it as a sample. Just want to give you an idea that how the non-disclosure agreement looks like. As per the need or as per the requirement, you can modify, you can mention whatever the things you want to include in the non-disclosure agreement. However, it should be look like that. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I have just tried my level best to explain you the concept of non-disclosure agreement or NDA. Thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side.